Today on Mom to Mom, we have a special treat your pup is gonna love. Today we are making dog popsicles. Spring and summer are almost here, and for those hot days, they're gonna love this special little treat. And it's super easy to make. We need some blueberries, some light coconut milk, and then dog bones. Get any kind of milk bone that you want, some ice trays, and a blender. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take 1.5 cup of blueberries and kind of just dump it into our blender. Then we're gonna take 2/3 cup of light coconut milk and put that in the blender as well. Then you're gonna blend that up for about 2 to 3 minutes till it kind of gets like a smoothie consistency. Then you're gonna put it in your ice trays. Now, once you have all your ice trays filled up, then you can stick your dog bones into the mixture. Now, they probably are gonna fall over just a little bit, so whenever you put them in the freezer, kind of wait about 10 minutes, then you can adjust them to kind of stand up properly, and then leave them in for about 2 to 3 hours, and then once they're ready, you can give them to your pup to enjoy on a nice hot spring or summer day. Moms or pet moms, if you love this idea or you have some wonderful ones yourself, you can always message us on our Facebook page, and we'll see you on the next Mom to Mom.